Hello, today I'm gonna open this ZTE phone. This is called ZTE Z Play Spark. The model number is Z971. I'm gonna open the whole phone. Okay, first we use the pin stick to take the SIM tray out, and then from here we're gonna open the back out. We have to take it out so it's not gonna break this, because if you try to open the back without taking it, that will break. And from here we're gonna open the back, and then I use the piece of plastic to pile all up. You can feel some glue on the bottom. Okay, when you take the back off, be careful because there are fingerprint sensor flag. They may stick on the back of the phone. As you can see, the fingerprint flag. And now I use the Phillips screwdriver to open all the screws of the back. Okay. To take off this plug from the back, you push at the middle of the button. It should pop out easy. See, now we can glue the back up. You can take it off before you open the screw. Oh, there are two more screws hiding right here too. See this one right here. After we remove all the screw out, there are one thing we need to do to open the bezel. The frame is, we take off this plastic. There's some screw hiding under here. Yeah, the two.
You keep moving this bitty screw.
Now we try to use the fingernail to open the small space. Then we can use the pie to put the phone down, and then you can run this around between the barrel and the LCD. Now take off the fingerprint flag. Now I can remove the battery if you want to change the battery.
I don't have these no more. saying they can fix like
use plastic,
the charging part on these?
any kind of plastic to take off the battery. Don't use any metal pie.
Oh, I see, man, get that one from her. Get that one fixed first. It's just my little backup phone. Now it's gonna cut up.
Okay, now it's go up a little bit. I'm gonna use a longer one. And the battery take off. Okay, now I'm gonna do the. Okay, now I'm gonna remove the charging port. If you need to change the charging port, there are antenna cable right here. We lift it up. And then the flag, stick right here, so you the little thin tie. Now we can take it off. If you want to change the charging port, you need to know you need to buy the right model number. So this one is AT&T, so you need to look at the AT&T. If you have Major or Boost Mobile, you always have to look at the name, the model before you buy any port for the phone. Need just some tape under, so be careful. Now the charging port is taken off. You can replay if it broke. If you want to change the LCD, now we take off some flag of the LCD, and then the flag right here. The power volume flag. And then there's screw right here on top. One more flag right here. You may leave it on because you can leave the ball up with that. Let me see if I can lift this camera, front camera up. Okay, so this is small, so just leave it like that, so you're not gonna lose it. Let me see any flag under here. No, it's good. By the way, I should take it off. It's you see, and it's cool. Okay. Very gentle to take it off. Very gentle. Now the motherboard is will take off. As you're able to change the LCD. If you want to buy the LCD without the frame, it's cheaper for you, but it takes time because you have to heat the screen up and then separate it from the frame. It takes pretty long. The frame come with the screen is not cost too much, maybe about $10 more. You should buy the whole set like that. They sell the whole set like this online. If you want to do it fast and it's the risky to break the screen is less. So this, look at the model number for the screen come with the frame too, because every frame for different company with different size. Like AT&T, T-Mobile, Boost, Metro, Verizon, they different frame. So now everything take off. If you want to change the LCD, just buy the whole thing like this. Now I'm gonna put this back. So to put, if you got, when you have the new screen already, it's easy to reinstall again. Make sure no flash is under the motherboard. So this piece is going there well. And then snap it back on the flat. Cable antenna. And there one screw right here at the top. Now I put back the charging flag. Snap this back. Now I'm gonna put back the battery. Now I put the battery back. Snap the cable back. And add the bezel. Fingerprint. Make sure that when you hear all the clap, it means it's coming completely in. Okay. Now put the screw back. Okay. After just put all the screw back, now we just snap on the fingerprint on the back. And now snap back. Make sure the cable is straight. And now just snap back the back of the phone. Now we should put back the SIM tray. Good luck everyone.